Hey guys, welcome back to another zpoltunboxing unboxing, and today we're gonna check out a dock for your Nintendo Switch. So of course, Nintendo Switch only has around 2 USB ports, and of course sometimes you want to expand it with maybe controllers, or you want to have additional charger. So this one might be just the tool that you need. So it's from Skull & Co. Jump Gate Dock Core Drive for Switch, smartphone, DeX, Samsung DeX, and also laptop as well. It's around 2,500 pesos or around $50 from Data Blitz, and maybe you can also buy it from online. It says the multifunctional dock hub for Nintendo Switch and smart devices. Switch, TV mode, tabletop mode, portable, detachable hub. Can be powered by a 5-volt charger, compatible with protective cases. Smartphone, also DeX, TV out function. Laptop, USB-C hub adapter. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with it, from your Nintendo Switch to your laptop as well, or smartphone. So very versatile. It's kind of in the pricey side, so hopefully you can get quite a good value from what you can do with it. It says spoltunboxing.com, and it's from Australia. Unboxing it now. Where is there you go. Are you ready for an unboxing experience, guys? 1, 2, 3. There you go. So it says they mentioned Jump Gate Dock Core Drive. Actually, the branding is really cool. The Core Drive is like an anime kind of thing going on, with a robot thing going on. ABS plus PC plastic. Get some manuals, of course, user manual, and inside you get the core dock right away with the silicone thingy going on, and not a lot in the box. So okay, moving to the item itself, it's quite weighty. Right off the bat, it kind of like feels like your Nintendo Switch dock, similar to that. There you go, Skull & Co. with a USB-C. So, oh, it's really a Nintendo Switch dock. Okay, yeah, wow. On the other side, oh, you get some gamey stuff going on. And what is this one? So, okay, Nintendo Switch dock. And this one you can maybe put your the button. There you go. Wow, high tech. Look at that, guys. All right, so yeah, so it will be more stable on your table for the Nintendo Switch. But what's really cool is you get several connections here, and it's on one side, so you have all the connections from just one side, which is cool. It will be a cleaner presentation on your table. And what's really cool is you can actually get this out. See that? So it's kind of a modular thing going on, so you can also use this for your laptop if you need it. And yeah, it's kind of one module thing going on. It's quite a light kit also, so USB-C. So actually for like Belkin, it's around over 3,000 pesos. So you're getting this one with a Nintendo Switch adapter for 2,500 pesos. So that's quite a value, and it's quite small as well. So it's also pretty cool in terms of the overall connections inside, and it's quite small also. So it will be flush in the overall fit compared when you put it on your laptop, because it's that small. I'd like to get my USB connector just to have a comparison. All right, so this is what I use on a daily Almighty Dock CM1. It's around 3,500 pesos, or around $50–$60. You get 2 USB-Cs, micro USB, and SD card as well, and USB-C. And actually, this has also an HDMI as well, so that's pretty cool. And you also have your micro SD and SD card, so that's cool that you have a lot of stuff inside. This has more ports compared to what I usually use, and it's also a bit smaller as well, so really cool in terms of the overall value. So that is the core drive for your Nintendo Switch, and also PC. Really cool value, because you can use it with your Nintendo Switch, and you also use it for your PC with micro USB, SD card, and of course the HDMI. That is something that it's very hard to find in some connectors and some docks, and it's cool that you have this also. So very, very versatile kind of kit. 2,500 pesos, so really cool. So that's our take for the Skull & Co. Core Drive. Let's try to put it back in. Modular thing going on, really cool. So if you want to get one, of course, use my links down in the comments below. It will help out the channel a lot if you use my links. If you have additional questions, let me know also down in the comments below, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.